Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, if you hear banging in the background, we had a massive windstorm the other day and people are working on their fences. So the fence guys are doing well here in Dorado Hills, California. But I wanted to weigh in today to answer a question that I've gotten from you guys a lot. And the question is, if I buy a €1 house or a house that needs renovations or cosmetics or whatever, can I do the work myself? And the answer in a nutshell is it depends. Now, I specifically asked Antonello, our architect in Santa Domenica Talao, about this issue because we were getting it a lot. There's a lot of handy men and women out there. Yay, guys, go be handy. That's awesome. Understand that the building model over there is completely different than it is here in America, and especially in the historic centers, it's just a whole different animal. So going in with that in mind, there's a lot you can do. You can do cosmetic fixings, you can do tiling and windows, tiling and painting and plastering and stuff like that. Anything structural, you must have either an architect or a Geometra or an engineer to sign it off. So when I said it depends, that means that you have to check with your architect or your engineer or your Geometra. Now, a Geometra is another guy that can help you on structural issues and things like that. Not as high up as the engineer and the architect, but I just want you to know what that means. So anyway, if I were thinking of doing that, I would certainly go over there, look at the construction models, look at the state of the property. There are a lot of properties that just need cosmetics. They don't need massive structural stuff. If you find something that you want to move walls or put in new windows or something like that, new balconies, you have to check with the comune because they are specific about what the outside of the property looks like in the historic centers. And then you have to check with your architect or your Geometra or your engineer and see if they're willing to do that. Now, Antonello mentioned that he was willing to do that in certain cases, so that's good, but it really depends on the specific place and the specific guy. So I hope this helps, and if you have questions on it, please put them in the comment or message me at info@supersavvytravelers.com. Take care.